gang, and for today's video, me and Alan are going on a food trip here at Gantry Plaza State Park. And there's a lot of food trucks in here, so we're gonna try not all of them, but some. So here's the view in here. See, nice. And there's a view of New York City. And let's go try some foods because we're hungry. You hungry? I'm hungry. Okay, let's see what they have in here. So far I saw ice cream right here. What is this one?
Crispy dog.
Crispy dog. Smoothie.
Wings and burgers.
That sounds good.
And oh, we should try this brick bro grill.
Plus,
I'm interested in this one.
yeah. Maybe this one and the Mexican. I saw a Mexican place on the other side. There's a waffle and crepe in here. The Mexican place is right there. Uno chorizo tacos. Pero no cilantro, no onion.
No burrito, chorizo.
Burrito.
No, not burrito. Chorizo tacos.
Oh, chorizo.
Chorizo tacos.
Pepper style.
So why don't say El Pastor?
El pastor will mean the shepherd. Al pastor that means in style of the shepherd. You know what I mean?
Okay, I'm gonna.
So the three tacos cost us $10.
So today we're gonna order souvlaki lamb kebab.
And it comes with tzatziki sauce. I think tzatziki sauce.
Tzatziki sauce.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Okay, so here we have the chorizo taco. This is, I guess, a steak, and I think this is the pork, spicy pork, and this is our
Souvlaki.
huh?
Souvlaki.
Souvlaki
Lamb.
This one is $8, and then all of these are $10. So we're gonna try it.
Let's try the pork tacos. It has cilantro, onions, and I put like lime.
Mine is plain. Let's see. Alright, let's try it.
Are you having like a burger?
It's actually good. I like the flavor. It's actually not only like a plain pork, but it has like a marinade, so it's really tasty.
The chorizo is good. It's not salty because some of the chorizo that I try are usually salty, and this one's not. So I think I want to try this one too. The what is this again? Souvlaki. So this one, and we're gonna dip it with the
white
this?
sauce.
White sauce.
Or tzatziki sauce.
This is soft.
That's right. How's the lamb? It's good.
It's good. It's soft.
Is it worth it for $8? I feel like it's too much, right?
Yeah. I think maybe $5. Because there's nothing in here.
Right.
Basically, it's just the souvlaki, just the lamb.
And the sauce.
Yeah, and the sauce.
Yeah, I was expecting.
It doesn't even come with the bread or something.
Thank you.
Okay. Pero walang laman.
Wala.
Chorizo lang, chorizo. Where is this one?
Wow.
Steak. Okay, we're gonna try the steak.
Ooh, the chorizo is spicy.
The steak is a little dry.
Really?
I like the chorizo better.
Yeah. I mean, it's good, the tacos, but I feel like there's no difference because we've been eating a lot of tacos and there's really nothing special about it, just being honest. But the $10 for 3 tacos is
Kind of pricey
good.
too.
Yeah,
Is it pricey for $10? I think the tacos.
I think so.
I think it would have been like $2.50 for one.
See, let's try the jiki sauce.
What do you think?
The lamb is actually soft.
Right?
That the jiki sauce tasted like sour cream and mixed with something else. This is just a barbecue sauce.
Oh, I forgot we got barbecue sauce. Should I just dip mine? So, do you think it's worth the $8?
Not really. I don't know. I feel like it's just they just marinated and just grilled it, but there's really nothing special. Than tasting the flavor of the lamb.
Oh, lamb is really soft. But yeah, you're right. There's nothing really much flavor to it. It's just like
Unless
soft
you put
meat.
the sauce.
Yeah. It's just like regular soft meat. So we got more food. We got the wings.
Garlic parmesan wings.
That's the garlic. Uh-huh.
Okay. And we also have honey garlic wings. That smells really good. And we also have a French fries. And we have, I believe, blue cheese dressing. But we don't have the carrots and celery because they ran out. And then they gave us a bunch of, I think this is like wet towel to wipe our hands because safety is important.
Number one priority.
Right. I know.
Oh, we have
Let's
alcohol
eat.
though.
We'll let you know how it tastes later.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Do you want blue cheese?
For sure.
It's good.
The sauce is good.
How about the chicken? Is it dry?
It's a little spicy though. What is this? The honey garlic? Honey garlic's a little spicy. Good. The skin is crispy. It's actually good. I think you can compare this to Buffalo Wild Wings,
Yeah.
right? How much is this? 15? So we got the combo. It comes with 6 chicken wings with fries and a drink. And that's like $15.
Yeah.
You think it's worth it?
I think so. I think it's.
But it didn't come with the celery and the carrot.
But I think it's worth it, you know? Because you got French fry.
Spicy.
You got 6 wings.
This is actually more spicy than the chorizo earlier.
Yeah. I can tolerate the spicy. Good thing you have water.
Alright, we're gonna try the Parmesan. I like the other one better, the garlic. What is it? Soy garlic?
If I'm not saying anything, meaning I'm loving food.
This one is not too hot though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Parmesan, it's kind of cold. But it's still crispy though.
Like,
What about the fries?
That's alright.
Yeah, the fries is
Personally,
it's too soft.
yeah.
I like the fries soft, but it's way too soft.
Personally, I like the garlic honey than the Parmesan honey. Oh, Parmesan honey. I don't know. It's
Yeah, I
too
think-
plain. It's too cold.
Yeah, I think it's because it's cold. It's not. It doesn't taste as fresh. What's your favorite though?
The honey garlic.
No, from all the things that we tried, all the foods that we
The
tried.
wings.
Really?
I like the wings.
I like the chorizo taco.
And then the tacos. And then the last one is the soup.
Yeah. Mine was the chorizo taco, the wings, and then the lamb.
One thing is it's not really budget friendly. It's a little bit pricey for the food.
But it's a nice place in here. Because you can just bring your food.
Mati may daga.
No. Actually, don't come here because Alan just saw a rat. Oh my gosh, Alan. The last time we saw a
you're
frog.
afraid of
I
rats.
know it's not near me though.
The last time you saw a frog.
Oh, where is it?
I'm scared of rats, so.
We're good. As long as we don't.
Alan eating peacefully.
I'm sorry. No one can stop me from eating, even the rats or frogs.
I wanted to take a video of it.
Oh, why did you go down?
Oh no. No.
Already.
Nah.
Big rat.
It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's funny, both of us are craving for an iced coffee.
Yeah, and then let's see if we can find like iced coffee.
Yeah, there's 2 food trucks that we saw that sells iced coffee. So we're just
But-
gonna choose which one.
I have a question. What's our budget for the iced coffee?
I would say $2.50 to $3.
Okay, let's see how much.
Let's see. Alright, Alan's asking how much the iced coffee is in here. I think I'm gonna try to ask on the other side how much the iced coffee is. So, instead of Alan just asking how much the iced coffee, she actually ordered one. And this cost $4, right?
And I'm so disappointed because $4 is a lot of money.
And they didn't even what is this, melt the sugar. So we're gonna try this other food truck, see what's the difference. But I don't know, I have high hopes in here. Probably the same price, but hopefully it tastes better. So we're gonna go online. So they don't have iced
We are
coffee.
stuck in the
Yeah, even though they have the picture of the iced coffee, I had a high hope still. That's it. We're gonna go home. If you want to check out some food truck, you can check it out here, but don't go by the park. Well, if you want to see a city, New York City rats, then you can. The best place is in that side. I think that's the most rat I've ever seen. Way more than the
In my
New York
entire
subway.
life.
Yeah, way more than in the subway. That's it.
See you next time.
Hope you had fun, because we did. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell button for more updates. And we'll see you next time. Bye.